Hello everyone. So welcome to my English course again. So today we're going to talk about common nouns. So what are common nouns? It's going to be a very short video, but it's good enough to understand what common nouns are. Okay? So common nouns are all nouns serve to name a person, place, thing, animal, etc. in general. Okay, in general. So when we talk about common nouns, it means a noun that are not specific. Okay, that is not specific. It's something in general that is common noun. Okay. Okay. Example. Please sit at the table over there. So you see, I put table in red. It is the common noun. Okay. So they did not clarify as a specific table, okay, a red table, a white table, a gray table, or something else. They just say the table in general. So please sit at the table over there, okay? And next one, we live in the city about 100 miles from here. So city is not specific. It's the word in general. It can be Tacoma City. It can be Seattle City. It can be New York City. It can be Phnom Penh City. It can be Beijing City. Something like that. It's not like that. So it's just one thing in general. It's just say a city. Which city? We don't know. They just say a city. Okay, like a village. They don't say what's the name of the village. They just say a village. They just say a county. It's not like Pierce County or King County. It's just a county. So when they say something in general like that, it's called common noun. Okay, they are not specific. All right. We saw some people at the foot of the mountain. So we saw some people. Who are they? We don't know. We just say some people. It's not our people. It's not white people. It's not black people. It's not Asian. They not specify anything. It's just some people over there. Okay. So that is general. Okay. Why don't you care about politics? They just talk in general politics. Okay. They're not specific, not be specific about, okay, democratic politics, republican politics, or uh, uh, like dictatorship, communism or something like that. They don't say anything. They just say politics in general. So why don't you care about politics? Okay. And next one, our teacher is so friendly and helpful. Our teachers. It's the teachers in general. They don't say math teacher. They don't say literature, Khmer literature teachers. They don't say physics teachers. They don't say anything. They just say our teachers. Okay, not science teacher. They just say teacher. That is the words in general. It's called common noun. Okay, our teacher is so friendly and helpful. The lake looks beautiful. Okay, the lake looks beautiful. So lake here, when we talk about lake, is the word in general also. They don't say the name of the lake, like they don't say Washington Lake. Okay, they don't say anything. They just say the lake. So when we not specific, when like we don't specify, we don't name the lake, we don't name the teachers, we don't name the politics, something like that, they are called common noun. Okay, so that is not difficult. When you just want to use some things in general, is common noun. Okay, when you want to use something be more specific, it's going to be a different thing. But in this lesson, I just want you to know what are common nouns that look like, And the next video, we're going to talk about the proper noun. It's something going to be specific. Okay, so this lesson is, that's it. And thank you everyone for following my page and for subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, when you watch this video, don't forget to help me subscribe to my channel, so then you can see the video that I post right away. And thank you for following, and please learn together and get to know how to use English well. Okay, thank you. See you later.